Are you kids ready to plant potatoes?
Yeah.
What do you want to do with them?
I don't know, make them cry.
Make...
Lots and lots and lots and lots of Daddy, I want to grow French fries.
You want to grow French fries? All right, we're going to do it. So we got 30-gallon pots. We got our soil. We didn't fill our soil all the way to the top, so we left some space because as the plants grow, we're going to add more soil to it. So we got about 1 pound of potato for each 30-gallon pot. We already calloused them. We already cut them up and let them callus for a few days. Now it's time to bury them.
Bury. What's callus?
So callus is when they dry out. So see how we cut them and then now they're dry. So that means they callus. They don't have a fresh cut on them. It's like a scab, but
We're
for
so
plants.
sorry that we died. We're gonna have to bury you. But then you'll come back tonight.
All right, so each one we're gonna plant about 3 inches deep. So right where they are, move it to the side, dig a hole about that deep, like that. You see that? And then drop it down into there.
Like about this deep?
And then cover it up.
This deep?
Yep.
This deep?
Yep. So each one we're gonna bury right where it was.
First you're gonna make your feet, and then you're gonna make your body, hands, and then head.
Hey, how deep did you get this, buddy? Oh, you didn't get it very deep. Here, let me dig it for you. You put it in there. Okay, Nico, put it in there.
Daddy, this deep?
A little more.
This deep?
A little more. Now cover it up. Okay, I'm gonna dig this hole for you. Oh, there's already a potato there. Where was this one? Right here?
Daddy?
Nico, put it in there.
Daddy, this one?
Yep. Yeah. Put this side down. Okay, that's one done. Now to the other side. You got it? Okay, drop it in right there. Try to put the callus side down. Hold this.
This part?
Callus side down, round side up. Hold that. Drop it. Hold this.
You're digging into my space.
Sorry.
This deep.
Go ahead. There you go. All right, now level it all off. And we'll get the water hose and we'll water it. And we're done.
Yeah! Will we have to water them again?
Yes, we will have to water them.
Why can't you just turn on the sprinkler since it's such a hot day?
Because it'll be good to water them with the water hose the first time so that they get fully watered. Lots of water. Get on this side too. Okay, now do the other one.
Don't spray anyone. We can try some.
Nico, you can do the next one, okay?
That's enough?
This side. Yeah, that's enough. Okay, now Nico over here. Water these ones. Good job, buddy. You're doing great. And then the range is on.